Kevin Michaels here with Waters Garden Center. I'm here to talk to you about the Blue Spruce. This is its new growth and where it gets its name. It comes out real pretty in blue. I love this tree for accents, to block out a neighbor. It gets so thick you won't be able to see through it. This particular species is called a Fat Albert, and it wants to stay lower and wide, and 15, 20 feet maximum. I do have another Colorado blue that will get real tall, but for sense of argument and contrast, I wanted to show you this one. The reason I like it for a contrast plant is when it comes out, it is this pretty blue. See it next to this dark green? That's how you set it off. If you plant 3 or 4 of these in a row, you're going to lose that shazam, that pow of the color, because it's not going to be offset. I advocate going, don't go monochromatic, whether it's bright or dark green. Mix them so that they stand out. And in saying that, because this is a Fat Albert and he's going to stay relatively low, you're going to have this space on the bottom where you can plant in front of it with really good contrast. You see how it throws that red? These will come, the Hasperilla will come in a dark red. This is a coral. There's a white, but it won't show off as much against this blue. So put the blue in with a dark green and with some cool stuff in front of it. And you can see I took this because I don't think that's loud enough of a contrast. It is against the dark green, but you want to mix up your colors a little bit. Real durable plant once you get it established. Any of your conifers that are not already in your yard, they're going to need some care, and that's going to be plant them as per our watering instructions. See, one of our reps will be able to walk you through how to get it in the ground. But I think if you take this home and give it some contrast, block out that neighbor, you're going to be really happy with this product. And I got several of them here. Thanks.